Hi everyone, so I'm just going to quickly demonstrate like a new tool I developed to generate automatic images in 2D with OpenAI integration in Unity. So basically here I reuse my old card generator scriptable objects. So you can just pick some features that will automatically set the icons, the colors, the attack, the skills, and all these things. So we will not need the card art sprite anymore because we will set it with the AI generation. So here I link my scriptable object inside the card creator, and now we are going to use our AI generation tool. So I'm going to reset my name and my prompt. So I just enter something funny, like a Squirtle type Pokemon with big shoes. And I'm going to reset the URL, and I'm making sure that the game object I need to put the image on is the correct one. And then I'm going to hit generate image. Here I get an error because I wasn't logged in, so I hit login to OpenAI again, and then I click on generate image. Now it's going to take like up to 10 seconds to generate the image and link it to the game object. So we'll just have to wait a little bit. In the meantime, I am using my prefab generator to rename, so I can have like a prefab of my card right after. So here we have the image. We also have the URL to the image that is generated by OpenAI API. And so the tool generates a texture and a material. So every single material is going to have like unlinked with the shader. So you don't have like, if you delete one, everything's gonna get deleted. And yeah, let's try with Charmander that I created before. So the card has some different stats and different colors. I'm just going to remove the sprite because we are going to generate it with AI. And yeah, here we go. So I'm going to change my prompt here as well to Charmander, and then I basically keep the rest to have like the same type of prompt with just funny shoes. Also, I noticed that my squirrel only has 2 shoes, and like he's called only 2 other. All right, we are waiting for the prompt to generate again. Okay, it's already made the URL, and now we have it. It's going to link it to the game object in 2 seconds. Okay, so here I forgot that actually it's in the front, not on this one. I was on the wrong game object. There we are. There he is. Making sure that the image is there. It's because they're superposed, like on the video I made, like the 2 prefabs are at 0, 0, 0. All right, I rename my prefab. I generate it. There he is. If I misclick not. All right. You can also like click on open in browser to check the image in the browser. And now if I launch the game, I will have my card generator and creator setting the colors for every card with the stats, the skills, and the name and the color of the icons. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.